In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Apple Pay default card. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you use Apple Pay very often, so you want to change the default card you use because the current default card that is set up on your Apple Pay might be different to what you want to be using right now. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application. Now, once you're here, go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see Wallet and Apple Pay as the second last option, so just go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to see Apple Pay defaults as the fifth option down. Go ahead and click on that, and then at the very top you're going to see default card as one of the options. So click on that, and at this point you're going to be able to choose whichever card you want to be your default card. So I'm just going to pick this one for my instance, and then that's it. That's all you're going to do. You can switch it anytime you want. And now whenever I, double tap my power button and it brings up my Apple Pay, it's going to default to this card automatically, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.